Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
It's been a while since I've posted a long form of video. It's because my work, as well as I was trying to get my real estate license, and I did pass my exam just last week. But with that done, I think my video posting will be back onto schedule, hopefully a weekly or bi-weekly video posting. So I appreciate you guys bearing with me and being patient with me. There will be content coming up with a short weekend trip, as well as obviously with the holidays up ahead, there will be holiday content as well. And for today, the reason I'm jumping on here is because I have an unboxing that I'm so excited about to share with you. And it is the unboxing of a CELINE bag that I just purchased. Now, the backstory to this purchase was actually I went to the store to look at the Triomphe bag that currently is super popular. I really liked the shoulder bag version. However, after looking at a variety of the color as well as also the different sizes, I even looked at the crossbody, I decided that maybe it's not the purchase I want right now, just given I do have a lot of similar bags already that is a shoulder bag and in black. So I ended up discovering this one and I'm super stoked to unbox it here and share it with you. Before moving on to the unboxing portion of this video, if you haven't already, it would really help me out if you can give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you enjoy fashion, styling, as well as vlog content, I hope you will give my channel a try and hit that subscription button. I also post on TikTok as well as Instagram on a day-to-day basis. I post a lot of outfit inspirations and style tips over there as well. If you haven't, I hope you will check them out, and if you do, don't be shy and say hello. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's get to the most important part of this video, which is the unboxing. And this is the bag. It's the CELINE clutch bag with strap in shearling and calfskin leather. It is their fall winter collection and it is limited to this season. I decided to go with this bag because I feel like the Triomphe bag is their ongoing style and I can always go back for it if I do wish to make a purchase down the road. But this one, if I miss it, I miss it, and I didn't want to miss it. As you can see, the outside of this bag is a mix between the shearling and the leather. The leather strap here is a faux design that goes from the back all the way to the front with a padlock here as an accessory. It really doesn't really do anything, and but it's really cute. I love the subtlety where on it it's embossed with the Celine logo, so it's very subtle. It's not in your face branding, but when you're using it, if you know kind of vibe, which I love. I don't like anything too big of a logo, and I think that was also another reason why the Triomphe in some ways is still very logo-ish compared to this, and I love the subtlety of this bag. Also, it's perfect for the current season. The straps here on top, there's two, one of a longer which you can use as a shoulder bag, which I love because it makes it like an everyday bag that I can just easily wear with outfits, casual outfits every day, you know. And with the longer strap hidden and just the mini strap on top, it becomes a cute little clutch bag look. And you can use this at night or for a more formal event, like a formal dinner or whatnot. I thought it would be really cute too. I love that it has two options to how you want to wear it. But most likely, to be very honest, I'll probably use it with the shoulder strap. Based on how I like to dress and the occasions in my life, I'll probably use it with the shoulder strap for an everyday bag. The other factor that made me want this bag was actually the detailing of this bag. The calfskin leather, the stitching, everything is done so delicately, which I love. And then also the interior here is in the same calfskin leather all the way round, so you can see here, and has a little pocket in there with your Celine logo on there printed as well. Really appreciate it and love. I know most luxury bags do use leather interior, but with fur, like a fur shearling, as well as like just fur bags in general, I feel like a lot of times they always opt for the more fabric kind of lining. The fact that this is all over leather, I really appreciate that, and I was like, I really like it. Got my receipt here so I can give you guys all the rundown in terms of price. Now this bag goes for $2,100 here in the US. I live in Los Angeles. The Los Angeles sales tax is actually at 9 point something. I think right now 9.25. I may be off a few points there, but it's roughly there. However, I made this purchase over at Orange County, which their sales tax is actually lower over there. So the sales tax over there is 7.75. So I got a little bit of a discount in terms of sales tax wise. Now with tax and everything included, this bag came out to $2,262.75. And that is it for today's video. Thank you again for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing as well as review in the detail of the bag. If there's anything I didn't address in this video, feel free to leave your questions or comments below. I will always try to answer everything as soon as possible. Other than that, wishing everybody a great week ahead, and I will see you guys on the next video.